Welcome to this video on software engineering for virtual reality. In this video, we will explore the world of virtual reality and how software engineering plays a crucial role in its development. Virtual reality has been gaining popularity in recent years, and it has become an essential tool in various industries, including gaming, education, healthcare, and entertainment. Virtual reality is a computer-generated environment that simulates a real-world experience. It creates an immersive experience for the user, making them feel like they're part of the virtual world. To create this experience, software engineers use a combination of hardware and software technologies. In this video, we will explore the different aspects of software engineering for virtual reality, including the software development process, the tools and technologies used, and the challenges faced by software engineers in this field. So, let's dive into the world of software engineering for virtual reality and explore how it is changing the way we experience the world. Software development for virtual reality is a complex process that involves multiple stages. The software development process for virtual reality is similar to traditional software development, but with some additional steps. The first step in the software development process for virtual reality is to define the requirements. This involves understanding the user's needs and expectations and defining the features and functionalities of the virtual reality application. The next step is to design the virtual reality application. This involves creating a blueprint of the application's architecture, including the user interface, graphics, and audio. Once the design is complete, the software engineers move on to the development phase. This involves writing the code for the application and integrating the different components. After the development phase, the application undergoes testing. Testing is a crucial step in the software development process for virtual reality, as it ensures that the application is functioning correctly and meets the user's expectations. Once the testing is complete, the application is ready for deployment. Deployment involves installing the application on the user's device and making it available for use. In summary, the software development process for virtual reality involves defining the requirements, designing the application, developing the code, testing the application, and deploying it for use. Software engineering for virtual reality requires specialized tools and technologies. These tools and technologies are essential for creating immersive virtual reality experiences. One of the most important tools for software engineering in virtual reality is the game engine. A game engine is a software framework that provides developers with the tools and technologies to create games and other interactive applications. Game engines such as Unity and Unreal Engine are widely used in virtual reality development. Another important tool for software engineering in virtual reality is the virtual reality headset. A virtual reality headset is a device that provides users with an immersive virtual reality experience. Popular virtual reality headsets include the Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR. In addition to game engines and virtual reality headsets, software engineers also use specialized software development kits (SDK) and application programming interfaces (API) to create virtual reality applications. These SDK and API provide developers with the tools and technologies to create virtual reality applications that are compatible with different hardware platforms. Other tools and technologies used in software engineering for virtual reality include 3D modeling software, motion capture systems, and haptic feedback devices. In summary, software engineering for virtual reality requires specialized tools and technologies, including game engines, virtual reality headsets, SDKs, APIs, 3D modeling software, motion capture systems, and haptic feedback devices. Software engineering for virtual reality presents unique challenges that are not present in traditional software development. These challenges include hardware limitations, user experience design, and performance optimization. One of the biggest challenges in software engineering for virtual reality is hardware limitations. Virtual reality applications require high-performance hardware to provide users with an immersive experience. However, not all users have access to high-performance hardware, which can limit the audience for virtual reality applications. Another challenge in software engineering for virtual reality is user experience design. Virtual reality applications require a different approach to user experience design than traditional applications. The user interface must be designed to work in a three-dimensional space, and the user's movements and interactions must be taken into account. Performance optimization is also a significant challenge in software engineering for virtual reality. Virtual reality applications require high frame rates and low latency to provide users with a smooth and immersive experience. Achieving high performance requires careful optimization of the application's code and resources. Finally, software engineers in virtual reality must also consider the ethical implications of their work. Virtual reality applications have the potential to impact users' emotions and behavior, and software engineers must ensure that their applications are designed with ethical considerations in mind. In summary, software engineering for virtual reality presents unique challenges, including hardware limitations, user experience design, performance optimization, and ethical considerations. The future of software engineering for virtual reality is bright, with new technologies and applications emerging every day. As hardware becomes more powerful and affordable, virtual reality applications will become more accessible to a wider audience. One area of growth in software engineering for virtual reality is in the field of education. Virtual reality has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn, providing immersive and interactive experiences that can enhance the learning process. Another area of growth is in the field of healthcare. Virtual reality applications can be used to provide patients with immersive experiences that can help with pain management, rehabilitation, and mental health treatment. As virtual reality applications become more widespread, software engineers will need to continue to innovate and develop new technologies and applications. This will require collaboration between software engineers, hardware manufacturers, and content creators. In summary, the future of software engineering for virtual reality is exciting, with new technologies and applications emerging every day. Virtual reality has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn, work, and play, and software engineers will play a crucial role in making this a reality.